Grounded in biblical principles, Godlan is a company committed to loving people and changing lives by going beyond the norm. At Godlan, we believe that our greatest purpose isn't measured by financial success or accolades, but by loving God and loving others. This commitment drives us to demonstrate love and make an eternal impact in the lives of others. BTN began with a prayer team and has grown exponentially. Through virtual missions trips and initiatives like the Water and Exercise Challenge, Godlan has raised funds to bring clean water, food, and hope to those in need worldwide. Since 2021, we've built 19 water wells, funded schools for orphans in Ethiopia, constructed churches in India and Peru, and provided clean water for over 5,000 people in Ecuador.
I just want to say a big thank you to Ed and Jackie and to everyone there at Godlan for all you're doing to make a kingdom impact here in the northern highlands of Ecuador.
Our vision is to see the world transformed for the kingdom of God, one life at a time. Our mission is to demonstrate God's love by bringing hope to those who need it most. Together, we live out the two greatest commandments: love God and love others.